Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to perfectly customize Steam game video recording settings to your heart's liking. In just a few simple steps, you can enhance your recording experience and capture high quality footage of your gameplay. That said, let's get started. So first we have to open the Steam client on your device. And then you have to navigate to the Steam menu located at the top left corner of the screen and then choose Settings in the drop-down menu. And in the Settings menu, you have to scroll down a bit and choose Game Recording option located in the left sidebar. And then you have to ensure that the game recording feature is active on your device. This will activate the game recording functionality, thereby allowing you to capture your gaming sessions. And once the feature has been activated, scroll down to the video settings section. Here is where the magic happens. You can now perfectly customize several settings to tailor the recording experience to your heart's liking. Recording quality. Choose the quality of your recordings, whether you prefer higher resolution or smaller file sizes. GPU hardware encoding. Enable or disable GPU hardware encoding to improve performance, especially for lower-end systems. HEVC video codec. Toggle this option on or off depending on your preference for more efficient compression and smaller file sizes. Maximum frame rate. Set the maximum frame rate to ensure smooth and consistent recording. Maximum video height. Adjust the video height to match your preferred recording aspect ratio. With these settings, you are ready to record like a pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and happy recording. Take care. Bye-bye.